Deer are fascinating creatures that roam the forests and meadows of our planet. These beautiful animals, with their majestic antlers and graceful movements, have captivated humans for thousands of years. Deer are part of the Cervidae family, which includes over 60 species. The most well-known species are the white-tailed deer, mule deer, elk, and reindeer. The deer's most distinguishing feature is their antlers, which are actually an extension of their skull. Antlers grow each spring and are shed each winter, with the exception of reindeer, which retain their antlers year-round. The growth of antlers is a fascinating process. In the spring, a deer's antlers are covered in a layer of velvet, which contains blood vessels that provide nutrients and help the antlers grow. As the antlers harden, the velvet falls off, leaving behind the bone-like structure we see on adult deer. Deer have excellent eyesight and hearing, which help them avoid predators. They also have a keen sense of smell, which is more sensitive than that of humans. This heightened sense of smell is essential for finding food, especially during the winter months when food is scarce. Deer are herbivores and have a diet mainly consisting of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They are also known for their ability to browse, which means eating the leaves and twigs of trees. Deer play an essential role in the ecosystem. Their grazing helps control the growth of plants, creating a balance in the natural world. Additionally, they are important prey for a variety of predators, including wolves, cougars, and bears. Deer are also an important part of human culture. In many cultures, deer are considered sacred animals, and their image is often found in art and mythology. In other cultures, deer are hunted for their meat and antlers. There are many ways to observe deer in the wild, including visiting national parks and wildlife reserves. It's important to remember to respect these amazing creatures and their habitats when observing them. In conclusion, deer are fascinating animals that play a vital role in the ecosystem. Their unique features, such as their antlers and excellent senses, make them a captivating subject for study and observation. Whether you admire them from afar or observe them up close, the magical world of deer is one that will continue to captivate us for years to come.